Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean your earbuds Philips. So in front of me I have cleaning tool and I'm going to use this brush to clean the headphones. If you haven't cleaning tool, you can use also toothbrush, and I'm going to use isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol doesn't conduct electricity, so there will be no short circuit, so you can use it if you have it. Now, I'm going to apply it at the charging contacts, and right here near to the ear tips we have charging contacts, the left and right earbud. So let's apply it. Also for the right one. Now let's clean it. Here we go, now the right one. Also, I want to apply the propyl alcohol at the charging contacts at the charging case, and right here we have them. Here we go. And now let's clean it also with a brush. You can also use another type of the brush, I guess this one. Or you can use ear sticks if you haven't cleaned tool. And let's clean the right one. Then I recommended to clean the grill, so we need to remove ear tips from the earbuds. Here we have the grill, sorry, and you need to slightly clean it. Here we go. Now let's attach ear tips. And let's move to the right one. We can also put already the left one to the charging case. Let's remove it and clean it. And attach the right one. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!